Hey there, what's up, guys? Mr. Teacher here. Today's lesson is about common expressions. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Self-soothe means to calm or comfort yourself. Take up that mantle means to accept your responsibility or role from another person. Bite the dust means to die or be defeated. Hard to swallow means something is difficult to accept. Flyboy is a term to describe an Air Force pilot. To touch base with means to have a quick chat with someone to see how they are or to get information. Taxing means challenging. Gumshoe means a private detective. Pinch your pockets means something makes you spend more money than you want due to being overpriced. From the word go means from the beginning. Carpe diem means to enjoy the present moment without concern for the future. Winding means joke with someone to see their reaction. Bougie means someone or something that tries hard to look fancy, but it can be a bit too much. New money refers to people who have recently become wealthy. Old money refers to rich people whose families have been rich for a long time. The rug could be pulled from under my feet means someone's going to leave me in a difficult situation. Ride or die means someone who is extremely loyal and supportive. Alright, that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. Also, please hit that like button as well. You may find these lessons helpful as well. Until next time, stay safe.